Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get the details like a image description, popular links on Narator feature on Windows 11. So if you use if you right now you use a Narator feature on Windows 11, you can get more details about some things. You can turn on enable this option by click on start icon and click settings and search for accessibility. You can scroll down and try to find a Narator, this one, and you can scroll down again and click on this manage data and services, get image descriptions, page titles and popular links. If you enable this, you can press Narator Ctrl+D for an image description or page title. Press Narator +S twice quickly for a list of popular links. So feel free to try to enable this option. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next